You. Yeah, you. Do you have enough tools in your teaching toolbox? Do you have enough tools in your teaching toolbox? As a youngster, my dad was a mechanic, and he always had me help him by handing him tools. He would ask for a 5/18 wrench, and I would naturally reach in and grab and hand him this. Why? Because I didn't know what the right tool was, and I didn't know what he was asking for. And of course, when you hand him this, and he is after this, Dad gets real mad. Yeah, it's not the right tool that he needs for that moment, and it does him no good. As a teacher, there are certain tools you are going to want to use. You are going to want to use this. Sorry. You are going to want to use this. No. Sometimes you may even want to use this. For all teachers' greatest fantasies, you might want that. Under no circumstances should you be using these tools. These are not the tools I'm talking about. These are not the tools that should go in a teacher's toolbox. Let me give you some more examples of tools applied wrong. If you're a landscaper, you might need to trim the edges. Is this the way you're going to do it? Or is this the way you're going to do it? How about somebody who works at a tire shop? They have a flat tire. Are they going to do it this way? Or this way? How about if you're a chef in the kitchen and you need to measure out some milk? Are you going to do it this way with this tool? Or are you going to do it this way with this tool? There are lots of tools out there, but you need to pick the right tool for what you're doing and the circumstances in which you're doing it. You're teachers, and so the toolbox you're going to be using is going to be different than any other profession out there. Everything is so much harder when you do not have the right tool. You have to get the right tools in your toolbox. You might be asking yourself, what are the right tools in the toolbox of a teacher? You're telling me I need tools in my toolbox. I don't have time to learn new tools. My day-to-day is go, 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 go. Kids get here and I am going, and on my plan time, I'm trying to get ready for the next lesson. I don't have time in my day for new tools in the toolbox. To the point, short, and lessons are around the 5-minute time frame. Getting new tools for your toolbox and learning how to use those tools on a day-to-day basis, it's going to make your life better. I want to give you those tools so that you add tools into that teaching toolbox every day, in every way. You're getting better, better, and better at what you do.